Get me out of here!
Hurry! Get out of him there!
Quickly! Get him out of there!
He's gonna eat me!
Quick! He's gonna get eaten!
He's hurt. Get him back to base now.
It's like a blizzard out here.
I thought you said we were going to your mom's sister.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, your Antarctica. Let's get that prehistoric cat out of there.
I got her!
Batman!
Do you have my Batplane? 'Cause it's not in that hole.
What? No! There's a Smilodon in that hole!
I know. He doesn't have my plane either. Hey, did Will Smith come through here?
No?
Huh. Because I saw some fresh prints down there.
This is not a time for laughter!
Snow joke.
Hello there. Where are you going?
It's nobody's business. Hey, come back here with my plane. That's my plane. Please subscribe so I can find my plane. Have you watched all of our videos?